Hi everybody, I'm Cynthia here.
And Nick.
My hubby is helping me get this video done today because I'm under the weather, and I finished the centerpieces. I told you guys I will come back and show you a video of them, and I would have done this on a different day, but I had just finished them and the party is tonight. So I feel really bad. I'm not going to make the party, but my husband volunteered to help go decorate, which I'm so happy and grateful for. But I'm going to try and get through this video for you guys because I did tell you I would come back and show you some of the things I made for the party. So in front of you are 3 different canvases that I had painted, and I put extreme glitter paint on top of the blue, pink, and yellow. I used my Cricut to cut out everything except for this over here, which I'll show you in a second. And I also used the Cricut for the centerpieces. So this one is Be Our Guest, and I cut out a silhouette of Beauty and the Beast, and I glittered that up with gold glitter and did some faux stitching with my white Jelly Roll pen. And this is going to sit in front of the guest book for them to sign in. And one of the tables, they're going to have a big candy bar. So I just did a bunch of different candies, and that's going to sit with all the jars of candy on the table. And then this is going to sit with the photo props, which I'm going to move these, and my hubby will hand me some of them. I'm hoping to get a Mad Hatter done today as well, but this says photo props, say cheese, which I did on the Cricut, and I made this little camera on the Cricut. And this say cheese strip, film strip, came from some Disney paper that I had in my stash, so I used that. And then these are some of the different photo props I made, and I used barbecue skewers that I painted black for them. So I did the Aladdin genie lamp. I did a Goofy hat. I did a Mickey Mouse ears and a Minnie Mouse ears and a Mickey thumb, hand I should say, and a princess hat. And like I said, I'm hoping to get Mad Hatter and some other photo props done before the party. So, without further ado, we'll bring on the centerpieces. Oh, and also, my hubby designed, they want to play a Hidden Mickey game at the party. And it's a Sweet 16 birthday party. So they'll have to go around the room and find 16 different hidden Mickeys. So I just used some glitter, black glitter paper, and cut out the Mickeys that they'll have to hide around the room. And so we did that game for them. And then, like I said, there's 2 of each of the centerpieces. So let me adjust my camera. And I don't know if you'll get the whole thing in. But this down here, the containers I got at Walmart, actually in the camping section. Filled them with styrofoam and some basket filling. I used Tide tool around for the bows. On the bottoms I made paper rosettes. And then I glued tulle coming out from the rosettes. And then I handmade all these roses, which I did show you guys in a video tutorial how to put these together. And so there's 2 of the Little Mermaid. I don't know if you could see all of her. I'm going to adjust my camera. So in here I put, on the back, they're going to attach balloons to one of the things here, and I got the balloon weights at the Dollar Tree. And then I just made 10-inch. She's a 10-inch mermaid with some water bubbles, and of course, what's his name? Sebastian. I made Sebastian there. So those are what the Little Mermaid, and then the roses that I made match all the colors up top. So that's mermaid one. And then this is Belle. You guys can see Belle. She's 10 inches as well. And I put some pearls on her dress. Glittered up, you know, parts of her dress. And then I have the rose and the teacups and the teapot. And then of course all of the roses match her. So there's 2 of her, and then 2 Jasmine. And here's the roses I did for her. On the bottom, they go all the way around. And then you have the lamp and the monkey and her. I think I did her at 11 inches this time. So there's 2 of her, and then Frozen. And I glittered up this part of her dress. She's 10 inches. And then of course, you can't have Frozen without an Olaf. So I did the little guy in the front. And that's what it looks like all together. Hopefully the camera is not too... and then her roses. And is this the last one?
No.
No? Okay. And then there's 2 Brave. She was difficult to put together, I will say that. A lot of the Cricut cartridges, when you get them for a character, there's little cuts and slits in the black piece, you know, the first piece that you do, so that you know where to put these pieces. Well, on this one, it didn't have it. It had like 2 little cuts, so it was very difficult to figure out where to paper piece her, but she came together pretty nice, I think. And then I did her brothers when they were turned into the bears around her. And then this is her roses all the way around. And is this the last one?
Yes.
And this is what the Tangled one came out like. I love, love, love him. I had so much fun making him. I think he's adorable. And here's her roses. And same thing. Paper piecing her was difficult because there wasn't a lot of cuts in the paper, you know, to know where to put the pieces. So it took a little while to figure out, but we did it. It came together pretty nice. And that's it, guys. That is all the centerpieces. There's 2 of each. And I think that's it, right, honey?
That is it. You did an amazing job.
Oh, thank you. Hopefully she likes them. She hasn't seen anything yet. My husband's going to take them over to the party place and where they're having the party and help set up, which I thought was really cool. And she'll see it when she comes in. So, happy Sweet 16 to Juliet. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm finally finished. These took me quite a while, so I'll be back to doing my regular videos soon after I get over being sick. And which hopefully will be very soon. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know.